Hi guys! Everyone's always talking about how great turmeric is and the health benefits of turmeric, how it's anti-inflammatory, how it's so good for you. But my problem with turmeric is it always tastes like dirt. So today I'm going to show you a recipe that my love of my life, my boo, invented for me called Turmeric Tonic, and it makes a delicious turmeric drink smoothie tonic that is something that you'll be able to drink and get the health benefits from. So first you start with 2 cups of coconut water. Throw it into your Vitamix. That's probably the easiest part of this recipe. We use Vita Coco, but you could use whatever coconut water is close to you. Then you grab some ginger root, about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches, like whatever this size is. And I discovered recently that the peel of a ginger is actually just fine to eat. So like peel it as meticulously as you want to. If it's too annoying, just get as much of it off as you can. Chop it up into little pieces and throw it into your blender. The nice thing is you're going to strain this mix after you do it, so if a little bit of ginger peel goes in there, it's not the end of the world. Then you take about this size of turmeric, I'd say this is 1 inch or 1.5 inches, and do the same thing. Peel your turmeric root, get as much of the peel off as you can. No big deal if anything stays on, because you're going to strain this when you're done. So the thing to know about turmeric is that this will stain everything. It will stain your fingers, it will stain your counter, it will stain your towels. So just be careful or mindful of it if you're using it around anything that you really care about. Throw that in there. The next thing you do, we've added grapefruit to our turmeric tonic, but honestly, I think any citrus would be fine. Jeff's filming this, I might have him weigh in. What do you think about a different citrus, babe?
Not as good.
Not as good. Okay, so I don't know what we're gonna do when grapefruit goes out of season, but for now, you just peel the grapefruit like this. And again, you're gonna strain this after it comes out of the blender. So if some of the peel goes in, if you don't get all of that meat between the peel and the actual fruit off, it's really nothing to be too worried about. So I like to just do that, give it a couple slices, throw it in the blender. The last thing that you need, and this is really the magic ingredient, honey. Now, Jeff recommended a tablespoon of honey, but I just opened this puppy up and put in as much as I feel like. So I always say the more the better on honey, but it's going to give it a little bit of sweetness and take out some of that bitterness. We're going to end the video here, but basically the next thing you do, throw your blender on for a minute, let it blend itself up, and when it's finished, you're going to want to strain it before you serve it. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoy.